In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert table in Outlook email. By the end, you'll be able to neatly organize information inside your messages with a simple, professional looking table. First, open Outlook. You can use the desktop app or Outlook on the web. The steps are very similar. Give it a moment to load so all the formatting tools are ready. Next, open a new email or click reply in an existing thread. Either choice works the same for inserting a table. If you're drafting a new message, you can fill in the recipient and subject later. Right now we'll focus on placing the table. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear in the message body. This is important because Outlook will insert the table right at that spot. If you want a little breathing room, add a blank line before or after so your text doesn't feel cramped. Go to the Insert tab. In the desktop app, you'll find it on the ribbon across the top of the message window. In Outlook on the web, look for Insert on the toolbar. This is where all the content options live, including the Table tool. Click Table, you'll see a small grid appear. This grid lets you preview the size of your table. Drag across the grid to select the number of columns and rows you want. As you hover, Outlook shows you a live preview so you can see the table's size before you commit. If you're unsure, start with a simple layout like 3 columns by 3 rows. You can always adjust later by adding or deleting rows and columns. Click to insert it. The table will drop into your email exactly where your cursor was. You should now see clear cell boundaries ready for content. Now type inside the cells just like in Word. You can click into any cell and start entering text, numbers, or even paste content you've copied. Use Tab to move to the next cell and Shift plus Tab to move back. Press Enter to create a new line within the same cell. If your content needs a bit more room, drag the borders between columns or rows to resize them. You can also apply basic formatting like bold text, color, or alignment using the standard message formatting tools to keep headings clear and data easy to scan. For readability, keep the number of columns manageable so it displays well on smaller screens. That's it. You've opened Outlook, created or replied to a message, positioned your cursor, used the Insert tab to add a table, selected your grid size, clicked to insert, and started typing naturally inside the cells. You're ready to present information in a clean, structured way right inside your email.